This is the Grand Solar Minimum's Crazy Canuck coming at you from Saskatchewan, Canada. You can see we didn't get all that snow that Manitoba did. But I did a little digging around. I got so excited I had to make an update. If you remember back on a earlier video, I think it was August 13th, I planted sprouts from the last potato harvest from the container into this container. And as you can see, they're dead. They're frozen, toast. She's been cold. So they're done. But I went digging around and guess what? I got potatoes. These are really nice looking little potatoes. So this will definitely work. See, do a little excavating and see what we come up with. Oh yeah, here's another little one. And another one. Look at that. So growing these in the containers really worked well. They're almost an iridescent color, nice and smooth. They really like this container and the soil. Sorted some of the weeds. Here's some of our wormwood that grows around here naturally. Cancer cure, malaria cure. Brutal in teas, but it does really good. Shepherd's purse. Here's some nice little plantain, really good for injuries. All kinds of good stuff. So anyway, that's a quick update. Got some taters, and it didn't take long, and it was planted in August when it should be planted in May. So growing in containers, you could probably get 2 crops a year. So it cuts down the kind of space you need. And as we head into this Grand Solar Minimum, and with all the crazy weather we've been having, it's probably a good idea. You could always put the containers inside if it freezes or snows, and grow things that way. Take some of the risk out of it. So that's just a quick update, and hope everybody's doing well, and welcome to all the new subscribers, and a big shout out to Diamond over at Oppenheimer Ranch for the shout out he did. It's a great community that we belong to. And that's it for this one. As usual, like if you like, subscribe if you haven't, spread the word. Let's grow some food.